Welcome to Wally's. My name is Gurdal. I'm the food and cheese director here, and today we're going to show you how to build the perfect charcuterie board. All the different types of cured meats you use, it's really important to work with good producers that have good practices, old traditions and techniques, and sustainable methods. Whenever I make a charcuterie board, it's very important to have a great selection, and so the more the merrier, I think, with charcuterie. You don't want to have 25 different types of salamis and 6 different prosciuttos, but you do want to vary it a bit. So what we've got here is a selection of different cured meats. Prosciutto di Parma from one of the smallest producers that enters the US called Pietrosini. They age their prosciuttos longer on the bone. They look after each leg with extreme care and precision. So we get this supple, consistent, salty, sweet ham coming out of Parma. We've got here a truffle salami, because you really want to vary the flavors. Think spicy, think salty, think truffle, think peppery. Really great producer out of New York called Charlitos. This is called jamón ibérico de bellota. It comes from the pata negra pig, very prized pig out of Spain. These pigs are allowed to roam on the dehesa, where they're fed all types of different ingredients, including acorns. So in the last period of their life, they're strictly fed acorns. It really lends to the marbling and perfume of the meat. Now over here, we have a pate. This is a chicken liver mousse. You also have to think about your guest. Who's gonna be there? Can everyone eat pork? That's why you want to include something like this. Over here is a really cool product we just started carrying. This is called hoguera. It's basically a spreadable salami, kind of like the texture of a rillette. This is chorizo Pamplona from our friends down in Harbor City, La Española Meats. Now this is a nice duck salami from Angel's Salumi. And lastly, this one's actually studded with fennel. It's called Chet. It's from Red Table in Minnesota. Other times you might hear it called finocchiona. Now that all the meat is sliced, we plate. It's really important to pick the right accoutrements. Picking the right accoutrements, think what you want to eat with cured meats. When I think of cured meats, I want to eat pickled items. I want to have mustards, maybe something a little bit of sweet, and then maybe some nuts as well. So we have here some typical cornichons, little baby gherkins, a mixture of olives from Spain from a really good producer called Losada, California grape mustard, and then a whole grain mustard from Meaux in France. Then we have some Marcona almonds, fried and salted from Spain, some Peruvian sweetie drop peppers, some golden peppadews, and caper berries. Well, there you have it, the perfect charcuterie board. Next time you're at Wally's, come to the cheese box and say hello.